Hello, Chef here. Real quick recipe. People often ask me, what do you do with ground turkey? So I'm here to show you a real easy recipe. Yeah, follow along. I'll show you what's going on here. And this recipe just has a few simple ingredients. So I've got about a pound, a little over a pound of fresh ground turkey. Butcher did that for me. I love the butcher. Okay, I got some baby greens right here. Oh, it's gonna be good. Sour cream, tomato. The herb I'm using is, can you name it? All right, well, that's okay. Follow along and I'll get into that. Fresh garlic and onion. So when you're doing something like this, you just want a real quick chopped garlic. That's it. Same with the onion. Real quick. You noticed I mixed them together. It doesn't really matter with this recipe here. It's just going to all cook together. So this is another interesting curveball I'm going to throw at you here, okay? Sunflower oil. Yeah. I think it's from like Russia or something. Anyway, here we go. Oh yeah, nice hot wok. Put this oil in there. The turkey's very lean, so I'll go with a little extra oil. No problem. That's good for you. All right, onions and garlic. It's got the sizzle. Let them cook a little bit. Let them brown. Okay. Yeah, starting to change color already. Next ingredient, turkey. I'm just going to put this turkey into some small pieces like this. Turkey goes in. Okay, a couple of minutes later, I'm going to start flipping it over here. You can see I got some nice color going on there. Yeah. At this point, I like to add my herbs. Okay, guess what herb that is? In the comment section, please. Oh, and whoever's right, never know, we might send you something. All right, next ingredient, fresh ground black pepper. And the next ingredient, some sea salt. Gotta have that sea salt. Yeah. As you know, salt is good for you. Okay, we let it cook. Another ingredient I got here, a touch of smoked paprika. Yeah. Dash of cumin, and we let it cook. Pita bread. Okay, and after about 10 minutes at a nice simmer, this is what your turkey is going to look like. It's looking really good. Yeah, really good. Of course, at this step, you must taste it and adjust the seasonings. I add a little more salt. And now I'm going to give you a quick assembly of what we're going to do here. So I've got over here let's see. Right over here, I've got 2 pieces of very hot pita bread. It's been toasted, looking good. Move that out of the way for a second here. Fresh tomato. Okay. Maybe not so fresh. I'll just remove that piece. Okay, the rest of it looks good. Couple of slices. Yeah, that should be enough right there. All right, in half with those beauties. Here we go. Quick assembly. All right. We'll put some of this turkey in the pita like this. Uh-huh. Turkey in the pita, yep, just like that. All right, I'm gonna put a couple tomatoes in there like this. Tomatoes in there like this. I've got some baby greens. I'm going to put some of them on the side, kind of a garnish there. And I've got some awesome sour cream. We're going to put a scoop in each one of these. Okay, so there you go. That is a great recipe to utilize ground turkey. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Please try to guess what herb I used with the turkey, and you never know, we might get inspired to send you something. Have a great day. Like, share, subscribe. Yeah.